Alright. This is a trip. I'm gonna put one of these leads. This is a fluke. The tester works great. We're trying to show amperage on another project I got going on when I just tripped myself out. So one of the leads that we're gonna stick in the water. Well, can you hold that for me, sweetie? Just like that. Not all the way in. Just a little bit. It's fine.
Like that?
Yeah. Okay. And so it's reading. It's reading like 1 because there's some things in the water there that have electricity in them. You gotta keep it in the water. Okay. So 0 to 1, right? Okay. And then here's the other one. Watch this shit. Bang. What is up? Watch. I let go. Oh, back to 1. See, I'm not holding it. Check it out. Hold on. So it's still at 1. Whatever. I set it down. And then she's got the other lead in the water. Okay, so bang. Fucking 8 or 9. Yep. I might be absorbing some electricity. Whatever. Okay, so what we were doing is, here, baby girl, thank you. What I did was I built, because of Tony Pantescellero, I think that's how you say it, told me how to do it, and it is pulling toxins out of somebody's body. So she's going to hold the light for me, and these things have been coming out of her body through the Nano bucket. This thing's awesome. So what I wanted to do was just to prove the amperage going through this, which is what started it all. So I'm going to take the dry lead, and what you do to test water, because you can't stick them, oops, you can't stick them both in water. Now it's back at 0 because I have it in nothing. But I'm going to take the dry lead that I know I just didn't stick in a bucket. I'm going to stick it in the ground side of that extension cord that's plugged in because it's running the bucket.
And it says 0.
Yes, it says 0. And I'm going to take the red lead, same pair I was just using, and I'm going to put it 1 lead in the bucket, and you're going to see that 5 amps are running through it. I'm curious what it'll read if I touch it. Oh, 13. And I can feel it vibrating like mega. I let go. 0. I touch it. 13. So apparently I have 13 amps running through my body all the time. That sounds about right. Could be the Blu-ray. I don't know. Anyway.
You're sick.
No, dude. I'm not sick. I get sick. Can't. Yeah, no, this is definitely look good. If I get it near me, I wonder what it does to my neck. No, it drops little. Amazing. 13 amps. Let's see what happens when you touch it. Hold on. I got this. Touch that for a minute. 4.
9.
No, 5.
It says 5.
5.
Huh.
Yeah, you have 5 going through. So this little muffin here has 4, 5. She's got 4 running through her. 5. Oh my good lord. Huh. Well, that's a good way to test to see if your numbers drop. We're going to see how much of this stuff we can get out of her. All right. Peace.